A cable railing kit is your ticket to giving your place a fresh, modern vibe. These kits are all about sleek stainless steel cables that make your space look amazing inside or out. But which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 cable railing kits available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best cable railing kits. The 5th product on this list is the Muzata Cable Railing Kit. Looking for a sleek and contemporary way to upgrade your home's railings? You found it! This cable railing kit, designed for wooden posts, offers a polished, modern appearance. Crafted from marine-grade stainless steel, it's built to endure the elements. This 100 pack of stainless steel protective sleeves is perfect for use with 1/8 inch wire rope or coated cable, making installation hassle-free and ensuring a beautiful finish. It includes ample hardware to complete a 20-foot cable railing system and comes in various sizes to accommodate different post dimensions. What's more, its corrosion-resistant stainless steel provides peace of mind, ensuring your railing will stand the test of time. These anchor bolts are specially designed to secure the cable along the deck railings while allowing free movement for guests, prioritizing safety. With a clean and modern finish, this product is versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. Its pros are, its hardware so far is very attractive and easy to install. It helps protect the ballasts where the cable passes through, and its stainless steel protective sleeves are made of high-quality materials that resist rust, corrosion, and extreme weather conditions. However, the included drill is not that sharp and may cause difficulty when used. The Muzata Cable Railing Kit is an excellent choice for producing a clean, finished look. It protects your cables to ensure they last longer while securely fastening them to the post. Up next in 4th place is the BLIKA Cable Railing System. Get ready to give your home a unique and stylish upgrade with this balustrade hardware. This cable railing hardware includes lag screws, rail supports, clamp sleeves, clamps, floating handrail caps, and balusters. It features 3 tightening jaws for easy cable railing installation, 2 wrench holes for pilot holes, and a distance mark hole at 3 inches, perfect for 1/8 inch stainless steel cable. With high tensile strength and resistance to fatigue, it's weatherproof and incredibly resistant to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for coastal installations. What's more, the lag screws have a head diameter of 3.2 millimeters and a matching thread size suitable for wood posts ranging from 1.38 to 2.56 inches. This unique and innovative product offers an attractive and safer alternative to traditional wire systems. It's a must-have for homeowners and general contractors looking for a top-quality installation process with a sleek, contemporary design. Its pros are, its 3 tightening jaws provide a better grip when used, it has 2 heavy-duty steel spanners for tightening the lag screws, and it has an excellent 100 pack of fittings for your 1/8 inch cable railing. However, you need to double crimp each lag screw to prevent the cables from pulling out. The BLIKA Cable Railing System is ideal for residential or commercial use in the balcony, deck, gazebo, or stairway applications. Still haven't found a cable railing kit that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Steel DN Mate DM50. Do you want a sleek and innovative way to elevate your deck's appearance? Then, this kit is just what you need. This stainless steel cable railing system adds a stunning touch to any deck, porch, or patio. Crafted from stainless steel T316 material, it offers excellent corrosion and rust resistance, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from marine-grade stainless steel, it's suitable for various projects and comes complete with 100 packs of lag screws for wood posts, wrenches, and easy-to-follow installation instructions. What's more, the 10-pack of stainless steel cable lag screws not only provides a shiny finish, but also extend the railing's lifespan. Each screw features a double-ended configuration with right and left hand twists. With this cable railing kit, you can create an elegant lounging area at home without breaking the bank. It's the ideal solution for homeowners looking to transform their deck railing into a thing of beauty in just a matter of minutes. Its pros are, each screw has a double-ended configuration, right and left hand twist, it has a wrench to complete the installation quickly and easily, and it can be drilled into wood to adjust the tightness without an extra turnbuckle or tensioner. However, it's a bit finicky to get each screw perfectly straight. The Steel DN Mate DM50 is perfect for your wood posts and provides a sturdy, reliable method to install your cables. It will accentuate any deck or entryway without sacrificing durability, functionality, or style. The second product on this list is the RiaYer Cable Railing Kit. Looking to safeguard your gorgeous cable railing against rust, corrosion, and the elements? Look no further. This kit is your solution. Specifically designed for use with 1/8 inch diameter wire rope, it includes post sleeves that serve a dual purpose, protecting your wood posts from corrosion and providing a smooth surface for your cable railing to glide over. Not only does it safeguard the color of wood or composite posts from deterioration, but it also prevents rust spots from forming as the wire rope interacts with the bars. What's more, this kit comes complete with 2 free drill bits and can be used to secure cables around wood or composite posts. Its resistance to water, rust, and corrosion ensures longevity even in the harshest conditions. This system is an excellent choice for preserving your cables and preventing post damage caused by cable vibration against metal posts. Plus, it helps reduce noise resulting from cable strikes against metal posts, keeping your cable railing both secure and aesthetically pleasing. Its pros are: its high-grade polymer plastic sleeves are weather-resistant and durable, it's designed to lower cable noise for a more peaceful environment, and its dimensions design is suitable for use on all types of exterior projects. However, it can be tricky to install for first-time users because the fitting takes time, and the instructions are fairly vague. The RiaYer Cable Railing Kit has great tensile strength and good weather resistance. It can help keep the cable in place where you intend it at all times, thus prolonging its lifespan. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top cable railing kit is the CKE Cable Railing Hardware Kit. Ready to elevate your deck into a stylish and modern oasis? Look no further. This cable railing kit is your ticket to a stunning transformation. With 100 top-notch stainless steel tensioners, steel posts, washers, nuts, and screws, this kit ensures a rock-solid and dependable installation. The swage threaded studs, complete with stainless steel T316 marine-grade washers and lock nuts, boast exceptional tensile strength and anti-fatigue durability. Plus, their swage threads guarantee a snug, reliable fit that won't budge in any conditions. What sets this kit apart is its robust construction, offering unmatched durability and its adaptability to a wide range of weather conditions. Whether you're upgrading deck railings, enhancing balconies, or perfecting your staircase, this kit has got you covered. It's compatible with wooden, steel, or aluminum posts, making it a versatile choice for various projects. Quickly adjust your wire rope cable on your deck or dock railings with the included cable railing tensioner. This pack empowers you to let your creativity flow or replace aging clips, making it a fantastic choice for DIY enthusiasts. If you're ready to take your project to the next level, this kit is your best bet for a secure, stylish, and enduring solution. Its pros are: its sewage is completely hidden inside the post, which gives it a clean look. It comes with washers and acorn nuts and works perfectly with the hydraulic hand swagger crimper. It's easy to use and looks great once installed, and the tension of the cables makes it very straightforward to connect the cable to the actual post. However, getting the acorn nuts to thread on a rough internal thread can be challenging. The CKE Cable Railing Hardware Kit is ideal for decks where the posts, deck, and cable railing components are subject to severe climatic conditions, such as saltwater exposure or extreme cold temperatures. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys in the next videos.